Blue Antidote presents How to Lower Uric Acid Naturally. Uric acid is a natural waste product that is created when the body breaks down foods that contain a substance called purines. Purines are normally formed and broken down in the body, but high levels of purines can also be found in some foods and drinks, such as certain meats, dried beans, bread, and beer. Usually, your body filters out uric acid through your kidneys and then releases it through urine. But if you consume too much purine in your diet, or if your body can't remove the uric acid fast enough, then the uric acid can build up in your blood. A high level of uric acid in the blood can lead to a disease called gout that causes urate crystals to form in the joints, causing intense pain. The most popular place to be affected by gout is the big toe. Uric acid can build up in your body for many reasons. A few reasons may be stress, genetics, diet, and being overweight. There's a number of prescription medications that block uric acid production, but they can cost a pretty penny and may have long-term side effects. So, how can you naturally lower your uric acid production? This can be done by avoiding or reducing your intake of certain foods, such as bread, red meat, organ meat, asparagus, dried beans, alcoholic beverages, some fish, seafood, and shellfish, mushrooms, and cauliflower, just to name a few. You can also avoid consuming too much sugar in your diet, as this could also be a potential cause of high uric acid levels. Be sure to drink plenty of water and fluids daily. This will help your kidneys to flush out uric acid faster. Diet and healthy lifestyle changes can improve gout, as well as other illnesses caused by high levels of uric acid. Even though it may seem like there's a lot of foods that you need to avoid in order to help lower uric acid levels, it can be quite simple by making a weekly meal plan. Just keep a listing of foods on your grocery list that you should eat, rather than those you can't eat. As always, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up and share the video. And if you would like to see more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.